Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about support and resistance. How do we place it? How do we look at trading it? And I'm going to explain a little bit about support and resistance, how people tend to overcomplicate it or undercomplicate it. So let's get to it. First things first, what is support and resistance? Support is an area of previous price reversal that is under current price. Resistance is a level of previous price reversal that is above the current price. So in a textbook definition, you'd want to sell at a resistance level and you'd want to buy at a support level. I'll elaborate a little bit on that in a minute. For now, let's go about how we can place support and resistance. Now, the first thing I want to address is that people always tend to overcomplicate this process. It is very easy to place support and resistance. However, people really overcomplicate it. They think, no, this isn't a good level. This is a strong level. How many times did it touch this level? And they really do tend to overcomplicate things. The way I go about it is I look for any clear and obvious points where price has reached and reversed from, and those are levels that I'll place straight away. So straight away I can see that is a level, up here is a level, right here is a level, and right here is a level. Now what I do is I place these clear and obvious ones, and then I take my cursor, and as you can see there is a cross line that is following my cursor. I take that and I just scroll it down and I look at that line and I see if there's any other areas that I find are strong. Now this area I do like, because I can see that price has struggled with it, not only here but a few times. Over here price struggled, over there, over there, over there, over here, and then if I continue to move my cursor down, I can see that this is a potentially strong level as well, where price is currently sitting. Now I won't place too much support and resistance right now for the purpose of the video, just so you can get an idea of how you can very quickly and easily find support and resistance levels. Now what people tend to do is they overcomplicate the process of placing support and resistance, and then they undercomplicate the process of trading it. Meaning that the second price touches this support, they're just going to buy it. Or the second price touches this resistance, they're just going to buy it. That's most definitely the wrong way to look at it. What you should look at is how price is acting around certain supports and resistances, and then make a conscious trade decision. Like here, for example, I would like to see this go higher. I can see an obvious push down to this level, and I can see prices struggling around the level. We've got a very typical W sort of pattern that could be forming here. So I like that. I've watched how price is acting around this level. I didn't just place a trade blindly when it hit, because if I did, as you can see, I probably would have lost that trade. I'm watching to see how price acts around this area before I make a trade decision. And that's the key here. It shouldn't be treated as a support that you buy off or a resistance that you sell off. What it should be treated as is a level where price can do a multitude of things. There's multiple things that can happen around these levels. So you just need to watch for it. I mean, we could get a break and a retest to continue. We could get a reversal. There's so many things that could happen. Price could become choppy around these areas, and we just need to know how to capitalize on how price is acting around these areas. So I hope that video helped you. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, comment if you have any questions at all, and subscribe to the channel for daily binary options videos. If you are interested in learning how to trade binary options properly, do consider checking out our Viper binary strategy. It is the real way to trade binary options, and it is highly effective. If you're interested in this, go check us out, www.traderoomsessions.com. All the information you need is on the website.